show you how to create a test case and how to execute a test case from Contextqa. For that, I will use demo Orange HRM application for validating the login. Here are the scenarios. Login. So the test case is verify the employee login with the valid data. These are the test steps. So I have to launch the website and I have to give the valid username and valid password, and I have to log in. For valid username and password, here I mention the test data, admin123. I will go to the Orange HRM application. I will click on the Contextqa test automation extension. It's showing the login. I have to log in with the valid credentials. Here I have to provide my organization name. I have to give my valid email ID with password. I'm logging the extension, and whenever I log in the extension, it will auto log into the Contextqa main portal. You can see it is automatically log into the Contextqa main portal. From here, I will click on the test development. You can see test case. Here we can see the existing test case which are created by me, and we can also create a test case from here by clicking on the create button. And from the elements we can store the elements from the applications. From test data profiles we can store the test data, and we can do data driven testings. From the test suite we can group the number of test cases in a particular test suite. In test plan we can do continuous integration and continuous development. For now I will create a test case by clicking, and I will give demo Orange HRM login. From show advanced options, I can mention the priority, critical, major or medium or minor. For now I will mention medium. Type, so we can give the type of testing: unit testing or integration testing, functional testing or non-functional testing, or user experience. For now I will give functional testing, and we can also give the labels, and we can add the test data profiles, and we can do data driven testing. We can give the description for the test case. I will create a test case. We successfully created a demo Orange HRM login test case, and I will go back to the demo Orange HRM application. From Contextqa test automation we can record the user actions. So from test case only I created the test case. I am clicking on the test case. I have to search the test case. Orange HRM login, it's here. I'll start recording. We can see the username is admin and password is admin123. I will give the username admin123, and I'm logging. I will log out from the application, and from the Contextqa extension you can see whichever actions performed from the user, everything it is stored. This button locates the elements, so I will click on the enter admin in the label field, so user can find the input box or button box, which element for which element, so we can easily identify. I'll click on edit. For the username label, I will give the data as username name, so it will be easy for us to understand. Like, user is giving the data to enter admin in the username field. So we'll again go back to the Contextqa main portal. We refresh the page. Whatever the actions which are recorded from the extension, we can also see it in Contextqa main portal. So from the run button, I will execute the test case. From run history, we can see the actions which are performed from me. It log into the application and it is log out by. We can see the test steps current, like which the data which we performed. We can see all the data here. In the middle, we can give the wait for element and verify the titles. So we can verify the title here also. Verify. We can also mention title here, it will come. The test data, orange HRM. We can verify the current page title contains orange HRM. I will re-execute. Is re-executed and it's showing the actual result is orange HRM, so the expected result is orange HRM. So here the test tape is filing, so I mentioned is small O here, that's why the test tape is filing. So I'll edit here and I'll give the capital O. I'll update. Then I'll rerun the test case. It is executed successfully and and I'll refresh the page. The test case is passed now. You can see the executed test steps here. So the blue mark says the test case is passed